Hi, I'm Michelangelo from the band Nitro, and this is lesson 1 of Metal Method's Speed Kills. What I'm going to show you in this video today is how to master the art of playing lightning fast.